Hi everyone, this is Shrivya. I'm going to give explanation about the state transition diagram of a Oral-B Smart Series 5000 toothbrush which comes with the Smart Guide. So initially the brush will be in ideal or off state. So the state can be changed with the help of any trigger. So here whenever you are pressing or pushing the on off button of a brush, so it will act as a trigger and it will change the state of a brush from this state to this state or to this state. So here we can check how the trigger will act in order to change the state. So whenever there is enough battery, then it will be turned on. If there is not enough battery, then orange light will flash. So just we have to plug in the charger and the brush will be charged. Again it will come to ideal off state. So we have to do the same procedure in order to turn the brush on. So whenever the brush is turned on, and we have to check the Bluetooth whether it is turned on or not, because it is important to turn on the Bluetooth to pair it with any smart guide or smart app. So that's why we have to check this one. And whenever you turn on the toothbrush, it will automatically goes to daily cleaning mode. So this is the mode that automatically brush will turn on. So after that we have to synchronize it with the smart guide and smart app. So this smart guide it will come with the battery brush. So here just you have to remove the back cover of the smart guide, and you have to adjust the clock to 12-hour or 24-hour format, and then you have to synchronize it with the brush. And after that the smart app you can download it from any play store and you can pair it with the brush, and you can use both the smart guide and smart app simultaneously, or you can use any one of them. So the smart guide is like whenever you are brushing, it will show which quadrant you are brushing, and it will provide some kind of shuttering sounds to change from one quadrant to another quadrant. So whenever you are completing your brushing routine, it will give you stars to encourage for brushing, and at the same time it will show the brushing mode with the symbol in which mode you are brushing. Everything you can track with the help of the smart guide and smart app. Also it will also functioning in the same way as smart guide. And next thing is just we have to set the timer by synchronizing the smart guide and brush. There are two timer modes are available. One is 2-minute timer mode and another one is professional timer mode. So when you choose the 2-minute timer mode, it is like there will be long shuttering sound at the end of 2-minute timers. If you choose the professional mode, there will be short shuttering sound at the end of each quadrant, which will indicate us to change the quadrant. So for the daily cleaning mode, it is like 30 seconds for each quadrant, whereas for deep cleaning mode, it is like 45 seconds for each quadrant. So if you are so as I have told you, it is automatically turned on in daily cleaning mode. So here we are checking the daily cleaning mode. If we are okay with that, then it will act as a trigger and it will change the hmm, brushing state. So initially here it is in turned on state. So it is turned on, but it not start working at all. So if you are okay with this mode, then it will act as a trigger and brushing will be started. Or if you are not okay with that, it will go to another further steps. So that's like it. Here you have to select deep cleaning mode. If you are not okay with this, then you have to go other modes, and other modes just we have to check all these modes, and just we have to select any one mode among all these modes. Whenever you are selecting this mode, these steps will act as a trigger and actual brushing routine will start. If you are selecting tongue cleaning mode, then tongue cleaning procedure will start. So during this whole procedure, pressure will be monitored. If the pressure is too high, then it will act as a trigger. So because of this, the red light will be glowing, and whatever the mode you are brushing, it will automatically change it to the sensitive mode. If the pressure is not too high, then the brushing procedure or tongue cleaning procedure will be continued, and the whole thing will be finished whenever it is finished. So because of updating trigger, the whole data will be updated to smart guide and smart app. Smart guide, it will show like the brushing routine is completed, and some star ratings will be displayed on the screen, which will us to, I mean, a kind of encouragement for us. And for the smart app, it is like it will track like 1 month records and everything it will compare, and it will give you analysis and information as well. So whenever you clean the toothbrush, then the whole procedure will be completed. So here we can also see the smart chart table for this particular diagram, state transition diagram. So here it is the state chart table for this smart brush with smart guide. So here you can see that initially it is in ideal state. So when it is in ideal state, it's like you have to check whether the battery is enough or not. So based on that, it will go to whether it will be turned on or turned off. If there is enough charging, you can turn on and you can go ahead with the other steps. So the same procedure which I have explained earlier. So this is the state chart table for that. So here you can all clearly see all the modes, all the states, and you can also see the triggers. Like if you are okay with that mode, it will start brushing. If it is updating, like everything, the tracking procedure will be updated. Once it is finished cleaning, it will exit. So this is about state chart. Thanks for listening.